Mhlophe Mhlanga is the 2016 Woman Farmer of the Year winner. Mhlanga was announced as winner of the main prize during the Women Farmer Foundation of the Year Awards held at the Riders Ranch at Sidvokodvo. Weather report.
After the speeches at the Women Farmer of the Year prize presentation, it was time to announce the winners. This year, the organizers of the competition, Women Farmer Foundation, made sure that all the women who entered the competition, all 232 of them, got in terms of consolation prizes. The winners were announced by Sonia Paiva, who explained that they were divided into two categories, the first one being small-scale farmers and the second one being large-scale farmers. The winner in the small-scale farmers category was Patricia Simelane, who took home prizes worth 34,000 emalangeni. Nomsa Skudla came second, while Nonhlanhla Sugati came third. Mrs. Paiva announced the winner, Mhlophe Mhlanga, who took home prizes worth 104,000 emalangeni. Tulsi Lengwenya, who took home prizes worth 41,000 emalangeni, came second, while Nompumelelo Dlamini came third and took home prizes worth 31,000 emalangeni. The winner of this year's Women Farmer of the Year competition thanked the Paiva family for the awards, which serves to encourage women farmers, and she thanked His Majesty's government for supporting the initiative. She urged other women not to give up, as this was her third time joining the competition. She promised to work with other women farmers and encourage them to join the competition.
I will work very hard with the women out there. Ngiyathanda kudlala, ngiyathanda kujoka kodwa ngide isikhathi sako. Ngiba semsebenzini kakhulu.
The competition was sponsored by, amongst other companies and organizations, Total Swaziland, Nedbank Swaziland and Swazi TV, to mention but a few. Reporting for Swazi TV News, I'm Sidvokodvo.